Welcome back to our exploration of HTML, the bedrock of the World Wide Web. Today, we will delve deeper into the essential components that make up every web page you encounter. In our previous journeys, we've traversed the fundamental landscapes of this markup language, learning how to structure content, embed multimedia, and build simple web pages. These skills are the foundation upon which more complex web development is built. We discovered how HTML uses elements denoted by tags to organize text, images, and other web page components. Each tag serves a unique function, helping to create a cohesive and well-structured web page. From simple paragraphs denoted by tags to headings marked with "to," we've learned how to create the basic building blocks of a web page. These tags are the essential tools in a web developer's toolkit. We've even explored how to add images using the tag, bringing visual elements into our web creations. Images can enhance the user experience and make content more engaging. These foundational elements form the skeleton of every website, providing a structure that web browsers use to render content for users. Without this structure, web pages would be chaotic and difficult to navigate. Remember, each HTML element serves a specific purpose. Understanding the role of each tag is crucial for creating effective and efficient web pages. The tag, for example, signifies the most important heading on the page, while tags denote paragraphs of text. These tags help to organize content in a meaningful way. By correctly utilizing these tags, we ensure that our code is not only functional, but also semantically sound, a topic we'll delve deeper into shortly. Semantic HTML is key to accessibility and SEO. As we progress on our journey, we'll move beyond these basic elements and uncover the power and flexibility of HTML. Advanced techniques will allow us to create more dynamic and interactive web pages. Get ready to discover advanced concepts and techniques that will enable you to create more engaging, interactive, and accessible web experiences. The world of HTML is vast and full of possibilities. As we venture further into the world of HTML, it's crucial to understand that we're not just writing code for machines, we're crafting experiences for humans. This means that our code should be as meaningful and understandable as possible, not just to browsers, but to everyone who interacts with it. While browsers may render web pages based on our HTML structure, the true power of HTML lies in its ability to convey meaning and semantics. This is what makes the web a rich and interactive experience. This is where Semantic HTML comes into play. It's a way to ensure that our code is not just functional, but also meaningful. Semantic HTML encourages the use of HTML tags that accurately describe the meaning of the content they enclose. This makes the code more intuitive and easier to work with. Instead of simply using tags to structure a web page, Semantic HTML provides us with tags like "and." These tags are more descriptive and help in understanding the structure of the web page. These tags not only structure the content, but also provide context and meaning to both browsers and assistive technologies. This makes the web more accessible and user-friendly. But why is this important? Why should we care about semantics in our HTML? Semantic HTML offers a multitude of benefits. It's not just about following best practices, it's about creating a better web. For developers, it improves code readability and maintainability. This means that anyone who looks at the code can understand it more easily. Search engines can better understand the content and index it appropriately. This can improve the visibility of your web pages in search results. Most importantly, Semantic HTML enhances accessibility for users with disabilities who rely on assistive technologies like screen readers. This ensures that everyone can access and understand the content. By using Semantic HTML, we create a more inclusive web that is understandable and usable by everyone, regardless of their abilities or how they access the internet. This is the true power of Semantic HTML. Let's move from theory to practice and explore some key Semantic HTML tags and their applications. The tag defines the header of a web page or a section. Typically, it contains introductory content, navigation elements, or the website's logo. The tag, as its name suggests, represents a section of a page intended for navigation, containing links to other pages or sections within the website. Use the tag to encapsulate a self-contained piece of content, such as a blog post, news article, or forum post. It should make sense on its own, independent of the rest of the page. The tag defines a thematic grouping of content within a web page. Use it to divide your content into logical sections such as About Us, Our Services, or Contact. The tag marks content that is tangentially related to the main content, such as a sidebar with related links or advertisements. Positioned at the end of a web page or section, the tag typically contains copyright information, author details, or links to related documents. By using these semantic tags appropriately, we create a clear and meaningful structure for our web pages. This structure not only benefits search engines and assistive technologies, but also makes our code more readable and maintainable for ourselves and other developers. When we use semantic tags, we are essentially giving our content a well-defined purpose and context. This helps in making the web a more organized and accessible place. So remember, the next time you build a web page, think about the semantics and how they can enhance the overall user experience and functionality. With a solid understanding of semantic HTML, we can now explore some of the more advanced features that HTML5 offers. These features empower us to create more interactive and dynamic web experiences. The and tags work in tandem to create expandable content sections. The tag defines a visible heading, and the content within the tag remains hidden until the user interacts with the summary. Scalable vector graphics, or SVGs, allow us to embed vector images directly into our HTML code. Unlike raster images like JPEGs and PNGs, SVGs maintain their quality at any size and offer advantages for responsiveness and accessibility. The tag allows us to embed external content such as videos, maps, or entire web pages directly into our own web pages. This creates a seamless user experience without requiring users to navigate away from our site. These advanced features, combined with our knowledge of semantic HTML, provide us with a powerful toolkit for crafting engaging and user-friendly web experiences. Let's see how we can use them to enhance our website. Section 5. Accessibility for all crafting inclusive web experiences. Building an accessible web is not just a best practice, it's a moral imperative. Everyone, regardless of their abilities, should be able to access and interact with the content we create. Fortunately, HTML provides us with the tools to ensure our websites are usable by all. One crucial aspect of web accessibility is using ARIA, or Accessible Rich Internet Applications attributes. ARIA attributes provide additional semantic information to assistive technologies, enhancing the accessibility of dynamic content and user interface elements. Another important consideration is providing text alternatives for non-text content, such as images. The attribute within the tag allows us to specify alternative text that screen readers can convey to users who cannot see the image. This text should accurately describe the image's content and purpose. By incorporating these accessibility best practices into our workflow, we create a more inclusive web that welcomes everyone. Section 6. Bringing it together. Building an accessible web page. Now let's combine everything we've learned to build a simple yet accessible web page. This page will include semantic HTML, advanced features, and accessibility best practices, ATML. Section 7. The journey continues. Further exploration. Congratulations, you've taken another significant step in your HTML journey. You've gone beyond the basics, delving into the world of semantic HTML, advanced features, and accessibility best practices. But this is just the beginning. The world of web development is vast and constantly evolving. There's always more to learn and new skills to acquire. From here you can explore more advanced HTML elements and attributes, delve into the world of CSS for styling and layout, and even venture into the realm of JavaScript for interactive functionality. The possibilities are limitless. Section 8. Resources for the aspiring web developer. As you continue your journey, here are some valuable resources to guide your exploration. Mozilla Developer Network, or MDN, the go-to resource for all things web development, offering comprehensive documentation, tutorials, and guides. W3 Schools, another excellent website providing beginner-friendly tutorials and references for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. Codecademy, an interactive learning platform offering free and paid coding courses, including comprehensive web development tracks. Free Code Camp, a non-profit organization offering free coding boot camps and certifications, focusing on web development and related technologies. These resources, along with countless others available online, will provide you with the knowledge and support you need to thrive in the exciting world of web development. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey into advanced HTML. As you embark on the journey of mastering advanced HTML, remember that web development is a craft that takes time, practice, and dedication to perfect. Embrace the learning process, experiment with new techniques, and don't be afraid to seek help and inspiration from the vast online community of developers. The skills you gain will empower you to create amazing and impactful experiences on the web.